Balsero Nuevo. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Vacila Final. 5, 6, 7, tap. Turn, 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 and pose. Sombrero Doble. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, tap. Back to back, and then drape to the shoulder, into the center, cross body lead. The out. Enroque. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, prep. It's an outside turn. You put your hand on her shoulder. You turn her this way. Let's face it this way. You turn her this way. Your hand is on her shoulder. Switch to her wrist. Unwind her, and you turn in the other direction, and then it's an enchufla with an altered rhythm. The lady does the normal rhythm, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and the man goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, jump, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So what the